Ever found yourself juggling expenses in different currencies, wishing there was an easier way to keep track of it all? Maybe you're a frequent traveler, an online shopper buying from international stores, or perhaps you receive income in various currencies. If that sounds familiar, you've probably wondered, does Pocketguard support multi-currency? That's exactly what we're diving into today. In this video, we'll explore Pocketguard's capabilities when it comes to handling multiple currencies and what that means for managing your finances across borders. Pocketguard is a popular personal finance app designed to help you track your spending, create budgets, and manage your money effectively. It connects to your bank accounts, credit cards, and other financial institutions to give you a clear overview of your financial situation. One of its key features is providing a real-time snapshot of your spending and showing you how much in your pocket you have left after accounting for bills and planned expenses. But what happens when your financial life isn't confined to a single currency? Let's consider a few scenarios. Imagine you live in Nigeria but regularly purchase goods online from a US-based retailer. Or perhaps you earn a portion of your income in euros from freelance work. In these situations, having an app that can seamlessly handle different currencies becomes crucial for accurate budgeting and financial tracking. So, does Pocketguard rise to this challenge? Based on the latest information available, Pocketguard does not offer native multi-currency support. This means that while you can connect accounts held in different currencies, Pocketguard will typically display all transactions in a single base currency that you set within the app. This limitation can present a few challenges. For instance, if you make a purchase in US dollars, Pocketguard will likely convert that amount to your base currency, in this case, Naira, using an exchange rate. This rate might not always be the most favorable, and it can sometimes lead to discrepancies between the actual amount you spent in the foreign currency and how it's reflected in your Pocketguard account. Similarly, if you receive income in a foreign currency, Pocketguard will again convert it to your base currency. This can make it slightly more complex to track your earnings accurately in their original currency. While Pocketguard doesn't have built-in multi-currency support, there are still ways you can manage your finances if you deal with different currencies. One approach is to be mindful of the exchange rates applied and potentially keep a separate record of your transactions in their original currencies for more precise tracking. You might also consider using a separate budgeting tool or spreadsheet specifically for your foreign currency transactions. It's also worth noting that the features and capabilities of financial apps are constantly evolving. Pocketguard, like other platforms, may introduce multi-currency support in the future based on user feedback and market demand. So, while it's not a feature currently available, it's always a good idea to check for updates or announcements from Pocketguard regarding new functionalities. In the meantime, understanding this limitation is key to using Pocketguard effectively if you handle multiple currencies. While it might require a bit more manual reconciliation or awareness of exchange rate fluctuations, Pocketguard can still provide valuable insights into your overall spending and budgeting within your chosen base currency. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.